Teri, you're gonna be enjoying some golden apples today.
Teri, the explorer. Jaja.
We're gonna go that way.
Oh, we're going this way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Careful with the ants, just in case.
Oh my goodness. People, mommy.
And the cashews. Oh, Teri. Teri, that's not how you pick cocoa.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here. This is really good. Oh my god. Wait!
Thumbs up.
The peeps. Your man outside.
Into the waterfall. Right here.
Oh my goodness, peeps.
Tell the people them.
Check my bowl.
Lovely.
Cha-cha. Mommy.
What's going on? We're gonna head into Mr. Bruno's pepper field. What kind of pepper is this, Mr. Bruno? Pimento.
Yeah, peeps. Meet our little friend right there, just chilling in the road. Yeah. So this is a gap to Bread Nut. I'm gonna take this, and right there we have Michelle. Big shop, guys.
Hi guys!
Welcome to my channel.
I'm so excited to be here. Oh my gosh, I'm finally like a peeps. She does be talking about the peeps, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm a peeps.
Big shop. Tell the people that where to find you, Michelle.
All right, so right here, Life in Vincy. You can see it here on this shirt. Life in Vincy, Vashel Glasgow, another
Come on.
Vincy YouTuber.
Check Shell on YouTube, guys. Over here we have Jomo. Big shop one time. Everybody don't know
Guys,
Jomo.
you know, do it.
Prove it.
What's up? I'm here with Teri and Vashel. We're gonna do a collab. It's gonna be lovely, so you guys take care.
Yeah, guys, the weather's nice. Check it. Yeah, man. Vincy, nice. Teri Naturally featuring Michelle Glasgow and Do It, Prove It. Big up worldwide, we say. Meet our friend. He gave us permission to pick Callaloo today. And that's she. Big up, Ben. Yeah, man. Oh my goodness. Wow. All the best, man.
The waterfall.
Yeah, man. Guys.
Bread nut, you know about bread nut?
Yes. Up this, so we're going. We're going there. We're going there. Yeah, fam. Guys, come on, man. Journey with me. We're rolling out now?
Yeah, plan out there now.
Okay. Okay, so we get permission to take thing off the land. Peeps, we get permission to take stuff. Alright, let's go. Yeah, peeps, we are farm and they're throwing some manure on the land. Yeah? We're going, just taking it easy, guys. Yeah? Today, just check the view, journey with me. So it should be a fun day. Options, ENT, big up yourself. Vincy Wildlife, big up yourself. Come on, man. Kevin, you done now. Big up yourself too. Yeah. I'm bigging up Nancy. Yeah, man, Nancy. Nancy just said don't big him up, guys. Big up Nancy one time. Yeah? Everybody else. Trinidadians, big up yourself. I haven't forgotten you guys. I love all you. Yeah. Guys, check me with my heavy bag. Yeah? But I'm making it. Whew. Just check how beautiful Vincy is. Wow. We're going to Bread Nut today. Yeah. Guys, make sure to comment down below. Let me know what sort of content you guys would love to see from me coming up. Oh, I'm running out of breath too. Cha-cha. Do it, it's a long walk.
Well, listen. The waterfall is a little bit nearer than the chill spot.
Uh-huh.
So probably like 10 minutes.
Okay. 10 minutes up.
Yeah.
Peeps, it's a 10 minutes hike. Difficulty, I'll give it a 4. Yeah, there won't be much steep hills, so difficult wise, I'll give it a 4, guys. So it's pretty easy, and we're gonna love it. Basha behind it, she likes it tired already.
I'm giving it a 6.
Basha do like what, guys? Jaja, she giving it a 6. No, I walked some far places already. Trust me. So this is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man. Wow. Been so nice, eh? Guys, just check it out. Jaja. Teri Naturally. Big up on yourself. Let me get a look at the river. Surely we're going on down here. So. See that stream? Wow. Then you see outside. Come on, man. Catch you back up further, guys. Just for information purposes.
So yes, where we're going, right? You actually have a waterfall, and there's like a little
Recreational.
yes, park to the top. So I don't know which one you guys want to go first. Probably we'll visit the waterfall and then we would stop at the park. So
let's go to the park and then we head back to the waterfall.
no, well, you gotta make a little climb here. We gotta go to the fall. So when you rather do walk down back and come and go, or just climb and go one time, which
Oh, it's easy to climb and go up there?
it all depends on what.
Let's go to the park.
Yeah, we want to do the cooking up and what's
Yeah,
not first. Let's
But you gotta
Can we
see-
cook
you
by the
You're
waterfall?
gonna get to see the park from the, well, the waterfall from the.
Can we cook by the waterfall?
Yeah, but it's just like just the waterfall, nothing.
Okay, so let's
You
go
go to
to...
this side, you're gonna see all kind of fruit trees on the.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna head up there this way, guys. Oh gosh, I can't do it now, people. We're going this way. Yeah, man. Up. Up 1 minute. Yeah. Guys, it's me alone, so I won't be taking much of me. You would get me in some snippets, but not much. Alright? Big up on yourself. Wow. A lot of farmlands in this area, guys. Yeah, we're in the area of Greg's or Lauders. We're in Lauders, peeps. And they have a lot of farmlands up in this area. Yeah, Dasheen, Tanya, breadfruit, Edos. Wow. So just tell them it's on. Guys, look at this beautiful waterfall along here. Wow. Nice shallow pond to swim. Because you got to teach that swim. Not much. Nice though.
Yep.
Wow. But we can walk down here too.
Yeah, but that is what I say now. If you walk here, you gotta come down at the top of the waterfall. That is why you take it from down and just pop right up. You understand?
Yeah, that's a nice one, guys. Leave a like for that. Yeah?
So right now we're heading up to the park called Brennut. Well, we're actually in Brennut. Yo-ho.
Guys, here we have a saffron tree,
Also known as turmeric.
also known as turmeric. Wow, very healthy herb.
Right. So we're gonna be gathering a few of it.
Used for inflammatory purposes, and we do it in a lot of cooking, guys. We use it in a lot of cooking.
So yeah,
Cha-cha.
saffron, turmeric.
Yeah.
Whatever you know it as.
Yeah, people comment down below and let me know what you guys know this as. Okay? Thank you for that. Saffron turmeric. Cha-cha. Peeps, We're moving along nicely. It's not a long hike, trust me. I just fat. We're going on. A lot of farmlands, guys. A lot. Catch you back, peeps. Outside. Do it. Big up, do it, prove it one time. Go on over to his channel. Show him some love, guys. Big him up. And Bashal Glasgow. Yeah, man.
Recreational park I was telling you guys about earlier. It is managed by a guy named Bruno Ellis. Bruno.
Peeps, we're at Breadnut. Wow, it's so beautiful.
And we're also here with Bashal Glasgow. She's a little bit in the back.
Guys, it's lovely here. Wow. Wow. Jaja. Living like this.
Yeah.
Even like down below for this place. Owner? What's the owner's name?
Bruno Ellis.
Bruno Ellis? You're doing a really good job here. Big up yourself.
So shout out to the guy Bruno for taking care of this area. Honestly,
Wow.
it's just a lovely, lovely job, Bruno. We appreciate what you're doing here at Breadnut and keep up the good work. There's more.
There's more. We're just scratching the surface.
And there's all types of fruit tree, like anything you can possibly imagine that grows in St. Vincent.
Wow.
It's actually here.
Yeah. Do it when you come on in your book and do it on your trip.
You're exploring.
Do it to me, bad people.
Teri, you're exploring.
Guys.
We might get a few golden apples. Hopefully,
Yeah, please,
hopefully.
Look.
Got some golden apples. So Teri, you're gonna be enjoying some golden apples today.
Teri, the explorer. Jaja.
We're gonna go that way.
Oh, between this.
Yeah. As you can see, we have cocoa.
Very nice. Oh,
Yeah, the signs are a little bit wobbly. So there you have it.
them ones over, right?
Yeah.
So we can't
So-
really
so-
eat those.
There's a lovely one right here.
This one full? Oh, there's one in the
Yeah,
back.
that one is really
People,
nice.
we could pick?
Yeah. Bruno, hope you don't mind. We're just having one. So Teri is gonna pick
Cocoa.
cocoa.
Oh my god.
Careful with the ants, just in case.
Oh my goodness. People, whammy.
And the cashews. Oh, Teri. Teri, that's not how you pick cocoa.
Oh my god. Do it. Wow. Guys, I picked my third cocoa this year.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's not even how you pop a cocoa.
Look at that peeps. It's telling me and look how it come out.
I give you 2 out of 10 for the picking and that popping of the cocoa.
People, do it laughing after me, but this sweet. I'm paying no money to do it right now. You want to have some do it? Do it the one in the cocoa. Let's move on, please.
You got.
There, look, that's him up there.
What's that? Oh yeah, that's Mr. Bruno. So, Mr. Bruno, there's something this young lady want to tell you.
Yeah, you're doing lovely work here.
From Jamaica?
No, I'm a Vincent.
Alright.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Right.
Peeps, say hello to Bruno.
So-
Say hello. I could say hello.
That's Mr. Bruno.
That's Mr. Bruno. Tell him about Brendan. We would like to.
Yeah.
Guys, Bruno is a bit shy, but forgive him, yeah?
Yeah. What I can tell you, Mr. Bruno is doing a lovely job here. So appreciate everything that Mr. Bruno has done.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna enjoy.
Tell them your contact information.
We're just gonna
so if they
enjoy.
wanna book a deal with you.
See what I do.
Okay. So you can leave your number. What's your number?
4983552.
Guys,
Right.
hear the number 4983552.
But I do some weeding here this morning.
Okay, Mr. Bruno. So
Yeah.
again, keep up the good work.
Yeah, it's like
The place is just lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely. And you have all also the
Right. We're gonna explore to that side as well.
Yes, yes.
So-
I always forgot him.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
you're
please.
welcome at any time.
Okay.
You're welcome at any time.
Guys, you hear that?
Because it's a community thing, you know. It's not my
Yeah, right.
community based thing. Because we give a funding. So even when I come in, I'm not going to come into the whole country. Caribbean.
Okay.
So it is more local,
So
national,
even
regional.
so next time you guys should have somebody to take up like an entrance, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, to make some money.
I know. Is it a hot one?
Is it a hot one too?
No, that's a
Okay.
so
Peeps,
those mango,
second pepper.
those mango one is the flavor.
Oh, the flavor. Guys, they call this pimento, also known as our flavor pepper sweets.
Flavor
Check it out.
This one is the one of the cheese.
So guys, check this out, right? Right now we have a Dung's plum tree and we have a few fruits on it. I'm gonna try and grab it. Oh, it's just amazing. So Dung's plum.
Peeps, we got to the end of bread nut. And trust me, I'm amazed. The guy doing us such lovely work. I'm forgetting his name, but big him up.
Bruno.
Bruno, big up Bruno. Okay, I gotta remember. Master Bruno, big up Bruno.
Yeah.
Alright? Nice, lovely. Leave a like.
So that's it, guys. We're gonna head back down to the cooking site and we're gonna see what Teri is gonna be cooking up.
I like to see.
Yeah. So I'll catch you guys when we're back down.
So guys, we're gonna do some steamed veg today. Bashal on that side. She's peeling up some sweet potatoes. We're gonna mash just some mashed sweet potatoes, fry some fish and put it in Creole sauce, guys. Fans, meat fans, eh? Big up for this. And there we have the coconut. Yeah man, big we up, we outside. Guys, look at the jackfruit. Yeah man, that's how it looks. And we have some calabash here. Wow. Yeah man. This is how it is on the tree before you put them to get dry and hollow and then make the bowl, guys. So this is the starting product. This is it here. That is what we use to make the calabash you eat from, guys. Yeah man. Wow. Things are nice.
That sound good?
A weekend out there,
Right,
out
We all just getting along, having a nice
Ah,
day.
yes.
Check out, do it hairstyle. I don't know who his hairstylist is.
No, I'm gonna get it redo. So yeah.
Pick up the hairstylist one time.
Actually, everybody not there.
Yeah man, everybody here
Yeah,
natural.
natural.
Natural
Yes.
people. Teri Naturally, Bashal Naturally. And the cameraman naturally.
Yeah.
Man. Guys, let me show you. Peeps, we still have some watermelon. And the watermelon is real sweet. Apple, banana. Guys, we're kicking it healthy today. Healthy, natural food, guys. Cha-cha. This is the some stir-fried veg. That's how we fish. Cha-cha. And we have our potatoes over here, so boiling up. TV outside.
Alright.
do it, we're supposed to bring this already squeezed and prepped, but do it didn't. But, you know, Teri have you guys covered. Yeah?
Actually, she grind coconut. Teri grind coconut?
No, but I'm squeezing the Yoshi. I'm squeezing the Yoshi. So, Teri have it locked. Come on, man. Guys, see me here? Again, like a tutorial, yeah? Yeah, give me the full view, eh, Michelle? Come from my angle, right?
Rock it back and forth.
Ooh, people want yeah.
Just pop that off.
Can I squeeze out that little milk?
Right.
Can't really waste a little milk. They're vital. Babies right now.
Okay.
Back again.
So you're doing it bit by bit.
If you have a little technique, eh? It's like a skill to it now. But Teri learning still. You live and you learn, guys. That's how it is. Basha learning.
Yep, because I did not know how to do this.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we're learning to live off the land.
Yeah, guys. Thank you.
You can make a back.
Hmm?
Teri.
Yeah, peeps.
Number in the kitchen.
Fucking up some potatoes, guys. Come on, man. People eat potato, I'm not too soft, eh? But can't wait little longer do it. Goes too well. Teri always finish her food late. So we're not going with that today. Okay? Okay. You don't have to really take the whole process from here, just so. Keeps coming along. Yeah? Guys, let's do some creole sauce. Yeah? I have to be above the fire because, trust me, terrible around here with heat.
Not eat.
Leave a like, guys. Make sure you like up the video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, please. And above it. Trust me. What part of smell is in here? Wow.
Going in and out.
Some ketchup, guys. Ketchup. No artificial flavoring. This is strictly organic. I hope it is.
She said that's a special sauce. She can't tell you guys what it is. She got to tell me later though.
No,
Yeah.
I'm telling you good.
We got a little bit of coconut milk going in.
Here, guys. Coconut milk added to it. Ooh la la. Good. Wow. Wow. Maggie's fancy thing, yeah?
Yeah, Maggie.
It's fancy. Sauce it up nicely. You ready more than everybody else.
So I get plum bush there.
So peeps, we have mashed sweet potatoes, stir-fried veg, and some creole fish tacos, yeah? Basha, I'm gonna finally eat some food.
I have been waiting to taste Teri's hand all day.
Peeps, don't mind me, yeah? That's from the fish sauce. Outdoor mashed sweet potatoes. Another one. Wow.
Yeah.
And your black thing on your seat is from the
Yeah.
sticky.
That's good. Alright, that's perfect.
Do it. I know you don't like plenty sauce. So you tell me when to stop, yeah?
So I know. I good.
That good?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't give you butter sauce already. Anybody come here? I'm taking this in. I ain't getting sauce. I'm saucing up everybody.
Everybody starts
And I ain't getting sauce.
That's what you call a proper chef.
Right.
Yeah?
Everybody else gets served, yeah?
The chef does share with himself, yeah.
They don't go over the heat all the time, right?
Yeah. So we good. Anybody want more sauce? There's more sauce. But now let's dig in, guys. Oh, we had in it today. Because I don't, you have four? So
Yeah, look in this bag. The plastic bag.
hanging out of my
Oh, that one.
I have a fork, peeps, so I'm going to dig in. Do it?
Do it right here.
Oh my goodness, peeps.
Tell the people them.
Check my bowl.
Lovely.
Cha-cha. Mommy.
Tell us what's going on.
Now become me cook. Please go ahead. Let somebody else try.
Yeah, I need somebody else's honest opinion. I don't want you guys to say she is biased.
Honest opinion coming up.
Yeah, so I think Russ is gonna be the next taste guy. So he's gonna give us his honest opinion. But Teri, honestly, it's just looking lovely.
Oh yeah, they fell out.
It is amazing.
I think this one.
Don't worry, I'll be coming around in a few minutes. Yeah. Everybody else set?
Come, let me take your eat.
Yeah.
Come, let me see how this is going.
Oh, Teri.
You gonna blame me for that one?
As always. So guys, I'm gonna be enjoying Teri's food today. Teri.
Honest opinion.
Shut up.
Just Rasa say shot.
Whoa.
Do it again.
Trust me,
Is that good?
It is amazing. Teri, this fish is just amazing.
You shot, man.
Shot. It's shot. All I get honest opinion,
The
guys.
flavor from the fish pretty much
Yeah.
covers everything.
Tell you. You see, coconut is MVP now.
The coconut.
Coconut is MVP.
Okay.
Yeah.
Man. Big up
Wow.
everybody, guys. We're just kicking it. Sauce, that's a couple of our sauce. This lady over there, she blogging, but let me get her reaction still, yeah?
Okay. Oh wow, this is so good. What is it? And this is my first time eating mashed sweet potato.
Cha cha.
This is really good. Oh my god. Why?
Thumbs up to the chef.
Okay, peeps. Yeah, man, outside.
Teri, it's just amazing.
Come
Honestly,
on, man.
you did a great job. It has been a wonderful collaboration. Even though it's not finished as yet, because we're gonna be heading down to the waterfall. So check that out. It's gonna be amazing. So stick around and hopefully you guys get to see all the action from the waterfall. So I'm gonna enjoy my food. Thierry's gonna enjoy her food. Vashel is enjoying her food, and you can see Rasta is just enjoying his food.
Come on,
So
man.
catch you guys at the waterfall.
Tell the people know where to find you.
So guys, you can find me, well, the links will be in the description for Teri, but I am Do It Prove It. You can find me under Do It Prove It. Do It Prove It.
Come on, man.
Everything. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So yeah. I'm gonna enjoy my food, so you guys later.
Peeps, I enjoying mine. Come on, man. Mwah. Big up all yourself. We're gonna take a little swim or a little bath session in the water.
Okay.
It's raining, but we're going in the water too.
If you see a left, take a left. Yeah, but if you see it, you still gotta take it.
Oh, we have cocoa up here too, please. Cocoa tree. Oh, yeah.
That's sour sap.
This is not cocoa.
No, that's
But
sour
what
sap.
is this, people? Creole natural.
Teri Natural anymore, guys. Teri getting mixed up. Yeah, that's bread nut. Like, take it now. Or we gonna miss it. Yeah. Still rolling. So we're heading to the waterfall.
Wow. Yeah. Closer is always better.
Nice.
Can't wait. Rasta overtaking you.
That's alright. Run to the
Somebody got overtake somebody. Teri is more than ready to go inside.
You don't take off the
So there she goes. There she goes. One moment, yeah. Guys, just turned up at the waterfall. You can see Thierry's already in, and Vashel is just getting ready. You can't wait. Teri beat you to it. I think I'm gonna go live on TikTok. I think I might be going live on TikTok.
Guys, water real nice. Trust me. Do it. Water real nice thing. You can like put that thing in that thing outside. You just have to pick up with.
Teri wet me down.
Yeah? Check me back in the water.
So yeah, Teri's doing her climbing. Just amazing. At the waterfall. Yeah. Still rolling, still rolling. Oh, okay. I might gotta come a little bit closer though. Just want to continue. Give me a few. Hold it.
Guys, Teri Naturally. Thanks for watching. Big up all this stuff. I love all you. Trinidadians, Jamaicans, Vincentians, Grenadians, Afghanistans, Americans, Canadians, everybody, Barbadians, people from Martinique, Belize, Anguilla, Antigua. Guys, big up all this stuff. Trust me. I can't name. I just love all your thank you guys for the support, everything. I appreciate it, guys. I really do appreciate it. Mwah. Catch you back next episode, next video. See me outside naturally.